Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. So guys, in this video, what I will teach you is I will teach you how to create, first of all, how to pick an image from the gallery and then how to save the bitmap from the gallery to the PDF. Okay. So we will create a PDF file using Android Studio. So guys, let's get started. So first of all, what we are gonna do is, first of all, let's open our activity main.xml. All right, and in here we can first of all drag a button here, so we can have the button, and let's change the button name to pick image. All right, and there we should have an image view. So let me drag it from here, and here you guys. So first of all, by default I will use this IC launcher image. All right, and I will move that. Okay, so now whenever the user clicks on the pick image button, so the gallery will be open and the user will be able to see the user will be able to pick an image from the gallery, and that image will be shown here, and the image will be saved in the form of the PDF file. Okay, in internal directory of your Android. So let's get started. So let's open, as we have created the XML layout, so go to your main activity.java file. So first of all, here we need to initialize our image view. All right, and let's initialize view. Find view by id r.id.image view. All right, so let's create a method for our button click action. So we can say public void pick image. All right, so now guys, in here we can open our intent, gallery intent. So we can say intent, my intent equals to new intent, and here we can say intent dot action pick. Okay, and the second argument will be media store dot images. Media store dot images dot media dot channel content URI. All right, and simply we can say start activity for result, and in here we can provide intent and the request code. So we can say 120. Okay, so here we can override a method on activity return result, sorry. Okay, and here we can check if the request code equals to 120, and result code is result. Okay, and data is not null. Okay, so what we can do here, first of all, let's make a URI. So we can say URI selected image URI equals to data dot get data. All right, so now we can get the image. We first of all need the path. So how can we do? So first of all, create a string array. Okay, file path equals to media store dot images dot media dot data. All right, and we need a cursor object. Cursor equals to get content resolver dot query, and in here we can pass our image URI. So we can say, oh sorry, selected image URI first of all. Then we need the file path. So we can say file path, and arguments will be null. All right, and we first of all need to move our cursor to the first index, so we can say cursor dot move to first. All right, and now we need an index, so we can say column index equals to cursor dot get column index, and in here we can provide file path 0. Okay, first index I mean of that. So, and here we can say string my path equals to cursor dot get string, and in here we can pass our column index. All right, and so let's close our cursor. Okay, so we can get the bitmap, so we can say bitmap equals to bitmap factory dot decode file, and in here we can pass our path. Okay, so this was a simple, we just picked the image and now the image is in bitmap object. Okay, so we first of all we can set the image, so we can say, let me see what is the, okay, image view dot set image bitmap. Okay, and here we can provide bitmap. Okay, so now whenever user will pick the image from the gallery, it will be shown here. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to we need to uh, create a PDF file, and we need to convert this image bitmap into the PDF document. So how can we do that? So okay, so we will do it in our next video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.